One of my favourite products in the range, and incidentally it happens to be one of our best sellers, is our Dual Base and Top nail polish. So this is a clever product because not only is it a breathable formulation, which means it allows air and water to get down to the nail bed, but it also contains celery seed extract, which is a natural nail hardener. Now it's important to prime the nails before you apply colour polish. Priming the nails sets the scene for a great manicure or pedicure. So it helps even out ridges, it helps to prevent yellow discoloration, it helps to strengthen the nail, and it helps to apply a surface for the colour polish to adhere to. And then as a top coat, it actually seals in the colour polish, and it also provides shine, durability and chip resistant. So this formulation not only has the celery seed extract, the natural nail hardener, it also has provitamin B5, it also has bamboo and acai sterols and other vitamins and minerals. So you're actually doing really good things when you are starting your manicure or pedicure with the Scout Dual Base and Top.